Sometimes when using the line chart in Excel, you need to combine two tables together and display them in one line chart. Let's jump straight into how we can do that. Firstly, we add the line chart just like the previous tutorial. We select the table, then we go to Insert and insert a line chart from there. We'll add the second set of data before tidying it up a bit. Now we have our chart data, we right click and select data. Then we're going to click on Add. We're going to select the name, which in this case is 2022 sales. And then the data. Click on OK. Now let's do the same thing for quantity as well. So the name and the data as well. Click on OK and OK again. I know it's looking like a bit of a mess right now. Let's add the quantity to the secondary axes and convert them into columns as well. Right click, change series chart type, and we're going to put the quantity on the secondary axis and change it to a column as well. Click on OK, and there we have it. We now have two data sets on the same chart. You can format it to look however you'd like. For formatting tips, check out my previous video on line graphs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.